So today in this SAP training, I will explain you how to create SAP user ID. Enter T code SU01 in the command bar. Here you can run SU01 T code in the command bar. Let me run SU01 T code, enter. Then you can pass user ID here. So press enter, then pass user ID. Pass user ID and click on create button. SAP text. Suppose you are creating SAP text user ID, then click on create button to create this user ID. Do you want to add this data to the new user? No. So pass title and last name. Title. So here you can select any title. Then last username, suppose user. Last, pass initial password. You can pass last name. Then in the logon data, you can pass new password or initial password. Here you can pass your new password. You can pass your validity from and validity period. You can pass validity from and validity to. So let me pass initial password here. Then validity, today's date 11/20/21. Suppose we are creating this ID for 1 month, so we can pass validity here to November to December. Now save. Change mode, you can pass profile. In the profile you can provide authorization, so you can pass validity period, then provide authorization roles to your SAP user ID. So this authorization I will explain you in detail in the next session. Now let me provide SAP all authorization. SAP all authorization. If you are providing this SAP all authorization, then you will have access of all SAP T code. You can pass this profile. In the profile you can pass SAP_all. Enter. So all SAP system authorization, we are providing SAP all authorization to this user ID SAP_text. So you will have access of all SAP T code. You will have access of all SAP T code. Now save, then re-login using this new ID SAP_text, initial password, enter. Then it will ask you for new password. Save. Here you can pass your profile SAP_all. Then enter SAP user ID and initial password. Then pass new password in the pop-up. So here you can pass new password. So your user ID is created. User ID is created. Now you can use this user ID. So thank you. If you have any question, any query, you can contact me on my email ID sapall.expert@gmail.com. You can follow me on my Instagram ID sap.beginner. Thank you.